So what makes a brand iconic?
It's more than a logo. Iconic brands tap into values, aspirations, desires, mythology. They foster an emotional connection that leads to loyalty and purchase.
Yeah, but how do you make a brand iconic?
With the fundamental elements of design. Let's start small, with a simple point.
What's the point?
Together, points make a line. Line has direction, weight, gesture,
Gesture?
spirit, gestalt, life. Lines then combine to make two-dimensional objects that we call shapes,
Or an outline?
or a silhouette. These shapes are regular and geometric. Others may be irregular and organic. When put together, shapes can define one another.
You mean they contrast?
Right. Contrast is a fundamental principle of design. The juxtaposition of dissimilar elements creates tension.
Sounds easy enough.
Well, it isn't just black and white. These colours are organised in a wheel that maps complementary tones like warm and cool. Colour is defined by hue, how we normally reference colour by names like yellow and green. Saturation, the dominance of hue in colour. And value, otherwise known as lightness or darkness. Colour is the first element the mind sees and the last it forgets.
Yeah, but how do I pull this all together?
Composition is emphasis on a focal point against a background strengthened through scale. Whether radial, symmetrical, or asymmetrical, composition is...
This is getting exhaustive.
Then let's speed up the rhythm, which provides order in composition. Repetition and variation in groups creates a pattern.
And what if you need to get more specific?
Spell it out. Typeface, whether traditional serif or a modern sans serif can act as a product's voice.
And if that falls flat?
Form is the three-dimensional partner of shape. Forms can be basic, complex, and often merged together. On this surface, we find texture: matte, glossy, rough, smooth.
Kinda seems like a whole new world.
Negative space creates a mold around the positive space of form.
Okay, but should we use all these tools at once?
No. Aim for harmony and simplicity, the concert of separate elements. Design is the careful balance of these principles. Our goal is to create clear, consistent emotional connections. And with a common visual vocabulary,
We can make brands iconic.
you've got it.